How big is your... What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardio, and I'm here with my first ever YouTube video, man. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but you know, hope for the best. Anyway, so this video is gonna be a Q&A, just so you guys get to know me, know who I am, know what I'm about. It's simple. So for the Q&A, in order to get the questions, I went on Snapchat and I asked everyone on my Snapchat just to ask a couple questions that they want to know, and I got a couple stuff I'm gonna read off and I'm gonna answer one. You know, let's do this. Also, I got some ribs I'm gonna be eating while I answer the question. You know, I'm a little hungry right now, man. All right, let's get straight into it, man. So, you guys be seeing some crazy stuff. I can't be seeing that on the internet, man. Come on. Alright. What's your full name? Alright. So my full name is Macario Carlito Bain. For those who didn't know, yes, my middle name is Carlito. Most of you guys didn't know that. Now you know. Just forget it. After this video, don't say it. Don't just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Ooh. Hold up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
On my neck. Oh, there we go. Let's do this. Okay. Do a smash or pass video soon. I would, but I don't know. I hold you to it though. I got it. All right, next question. This ain't gonna be too interesting. It's first video, so you guys gotta let me live. Which is good though. Alright, what would you do if your YouTube video flops? Not to sound harsh. It just sounds like a good question. Alright, if my YouTube flops, I won't feel no ways, because you know, I'm starting this for fun. If it blows up, it blows up. All you that didn't me way back then, don't me no more. Yeah. Here we go. Do you like Do I like ping pong? Oh my god. I'm not gonna answer that question. Fucking man, in trouble. Are you a shallow person? Nah. Would you date a high school team? Nope. I would not. I'm out of high school. I won't do that. I'm not dating a high school girl no more. Unless she's like 18 in high school. I mean, she's stupid. Who's your best friend? My best friend's Wilson. For those who don't know, sucks. My best friend is Wilson. Age. So, I'm 19, legally, but you know, everyone says I'm 32, 35. They might be right. But I'm 19 on the papers. I'm 19. October 13th, 2000. Yes, sir. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear? What's my biggest fear? What's my biggest fear? Being a failure. If I am nothing when I'm in life, in the future, and I'm broke, I have no job, I have no kids, no family, that is my biggest fear. 100%. Light skin or brown skin? I don't discriminate between any race. But light skin and brown skin? I have to go with light skin still. I don't know what it is. But something about them just, God damn. These light skins be weird. Hey, future husband. I'm not getting married no time soon. What's something you're insecure about? Something I'm insecure about. What am I insecure about? My butt. I would assume it's my butt. I don't like girls touching my butt. I don't like them looking at it. I don't know. I don't know if that means I'm insecure. This is just weird, but I don't like my butt. How much kids do you want? I want 3 kids. Boy, girl, then boy. No more, no less. 1 boy, then a girl, then another boy. Simple. If you can't do it, you're not gonna have no kids. Idea of a great date. My idea of a great date is when you go anywhere that's gonna make both of you happy. Some people are like, oh, staying at home, eating dinner, that's not a date. And then some people are like, oh, you have to take her out or going on the beach, a picnic. It all depends on who's who. See, me, I'm perfect with chilling, going to the beach, sitting on the floor, you know, getting a little picnic going, some wine, some, you know what I'm saying, something. But yeah, I don't think there's no great date. It just depends on what makes both of you happy. You got a type? My type is girls that don't have a dick. Simple. I ran into one with a dick. That's a story time for another time, but I ain't gonna get too much into that. Are you talking to anyone? My lawyer told me not to answer these type of questions, so I'm not gonna answer it. I'm not gonna answer whether I'm talking to someone or not. Thinking about a relationship at the moment or waiting until someone comes to you. Pause. I'm not looking for a relationship right now, to be honest. But if it comes, it comes. I'm not gonna stop it. Come on, man. Sorry. It tastes good. And would you date a girl that's taller than you or shorter? Would you date a girl that's taller than you or shorter? Oh. I don't think anyone really wants a taller girl, to be honest. So get a shorter girl. Oh. But yeah. How tall are you? I'm 6'2", so I'm 6'2". With shoes, I'm like 6'2.5", maybe 6'3". I'm not gonna push it though. I'm not gonna push it. What sport do you play? What sport? Okay. So originally I played baseball. I was a good at that, but I stopped. Got boring, so I stopped playing it. Then I moved into basketball. Then boom, started playing ball, volleyball. So yeah, basically baseball, basketball, volleyball. I did like frisbee for like a month, but that ain't it. That ain't it. What do you like most about yourself? Like most about myself? What's under this? I want to learn more about myself. For those you know me, I had some nice hair before, but I cut it. I grew some balls and I cut it, and I'm happy. I got some, ooh, these waves, ooh. You're gonna see in the next video though. Just watch. There's a lot of questions. I'm running out of time. What school do you go to? I go to Mohawk College right now. Yeah, I'm a fresh year. Not going so well, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's awful. I hate it. What made you start YouTube? I was just chilling. I looked down and bro, I could do this. I look greasy. Anyway, I'm like, I could do this. I know it's hard. It takes work though. It takes mad work. Everyone's rushing me, this and that. Yeah. How many siblings do you have? I got 2 on my mom's side, and then my dad's a whole, so I have like 20. It's on that. I don't talk to him though. He left me on red on WhatsApp. Blue tick my ass. Crazy. How big are your feet? I wear size 11. For those who want to buy me some kicks. Yeah. Size 11, baby. Favorite artist. My favorite artist? Hopefully we're talking music-wise. A Boogie. Everyone knows this. A Boogie is the GOAT. Best to do it. Simple. Period. Simple. A Boogie. No one's over him. He got the album. Have that on repeat every day. Simple. Ooh. Put me in my feelings. I can't cat. Oh, here we go. Another one. Who's your role model? Honestly, Kevin Durant. I don't know, man. I look up to the man. The man's just my favorite player. Just everything he does, bro. How he works. Just everything, bro. Just everything. Who's your favorite NBA player? My favorite NBA player, Kevin Durant. One more question, I'm gonna wrap it up. Nope. Sexual, nope. Deadly, nope. No. Where are you from? I am born and raised in the Bahamas. 242. I moved here in like grade 10, 9. Yeah. That's it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, make sure you leave a like. Make sure to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, hey, guess what's in this bottle? I'll send you $20. Only the first person to get it right in the comment section is gonna get the $20 though. Other than that, we out.